You know that getting new leads is key to growing your handyman business. But the real challenge, turning those website visitors into people who actually reach out, that's why your Handyman BrandPack includes a powerful, ready to use lead generator so that you can capture interest, build trust, and fill your calendar. My name's David. I'm the founder of Better Story Marketing, and I created the Handyman BrandPack you're using right now. I built these brand packs to help business owners like you get marketing done fast, easy, and without all the guesswork. So in this video, we're going to walk through how do you customize your lead generator to match your business so you can start turning more visitors into paying customers. You'll learn how to update the content and branding of your lead generator. You'll understand how it fits in to your overall marketing funnel. And then you'll also learn how it helps you build a steady stream of qualified leads. So let's set up your lead generator and make sure your business is always bringing in new opportunities. Let's dive in and get your marketing done.
All right, let's take a look here at how you can use the lead generator that we have built for you to capture new leads, nurture them in a sales sequence, and invite them to book time with you to come out, get their to-do list done, and pay you for it so you can grow this business. All right, so let's take a look. If you want to get to your website, again, you go to sites, websites, and then on Handyman, and you'll see all your pages here. We're just going to actually preview the homepage. And again, in our website, how to customize your website, we explained how you can customize all these different parts. So I'm not going to duplicate that here, but really what we're talking about is how do you customize your lead generator and sales sequence. So as you come down, you'll notice halfway down, we have this lead generator. And the purpose of a lead generator is someone who's maybe not quite ready to book time for you to get their to-do list done, but they want to know a little more. So what we've offered is a to-do list done room by room worksheet. Now they get access to this by typing in their name, email, phone number, and sharing their maintenance, and then clicking on this. And then what that does is that, and you'll notice it also shows up in a pop-up. What that does is that initiates this automation here. Now this automation, you'll see, it triggers when that form gets filled out, and then you get this nice little, I'm not going to walk through all of these, but you get this nice little delivery email that sends them a link to download the worksheet. So first, let's talk about the worksheet a little bit. This lead generator, it's created in Canva. You'll find that you'll also get sent a link to this Canva template so that you can, if you want to change anything, again, if you've changed your colors from orange to green or something like that, you can change all the colors in here. It's actually pretty easy. Or if there's maybe some details that you want to change in here. Now, one thing that you'll definitely want to change, so this is where you need to customize, because again, everything is done for you, ready to use, and fully customizable, with the caveat that there's a few things you actually do need to customize, because most likely this is not your phone number. And you probably don't want to send them to my templated website. You want to send them to your website. So you'll want to update this little part down here. But again, that's pretty easy. You just click in here and you type in the right info and then just copy this whole thing and come down and just paste it on each of the pages. So you'll see this is just each room. It has a checklist of things for them to see what needs to get done, what doesn't. And it invites them to book an appointment with you. So that's how you will edit this. Now, once you edit it, you're going to come over here and you're going to click download, and you're not going to want to download it in PNG. You're going to want to download it in a PDF. So you'll download that, you'll save it, and then you will come back to your Marketing OS. And I'm going to show you two different things. You're going to first want to come in here to your media storage. We'll wait for that to load, and then you will upload that PDF that you just downloaded. Okay, so like here, as we go into lead generator, you'll see there's a room by room checklist here. And so when you upload a new one, you'll have two of them, and you'll be able to say, okay, one of them's old, one of them's a little newer, you'll want to delete the old one, and you'll come in here and just say move to trash. And then your new one, you'll click on the same little bit and you'll get the link. And now that you see that link got copied to the clipboard. So when you have that link, what you want to do is come back over. We showed this in a couple of our other videos where you come to marketing and trigger links. And here's your lead gen download. You will want to open this up and paste that new link in here. And so what that does is, like I was showing you, this link right here, you'll notice this is the same. So what do we got? JOIO as the end here. Oops. That is the link. That is this trigger link. So whatever value is here is the value that's going to be given to this button. So when they click that button, it's going to take them to wherever this is, which we copied it from the PDF here. So what it's going to do is just load that PDF. So when you update it, that's how you bring the new PDF into your system. And then you just have to update this one trigger link, and that updates it in any email, any other web link. It updates it everywhere. So you don't have to come and update a bunch of different things. Now, this is, again, these are the emails in your sales sequence that follows your lead generator. So again, they, just like everything else, they are done for you, ready to use, but fully customizable. You can make any content edits. You can change the design, the colors, things like that. Now you'll see there are a number of other emails in here, and it waits, gives them a little time, and then it sends them another email. It sends them talks about the pain points of having a home and things break, weeds grow, paint peels, and so you talk about, hey, we want to help. We don't want that to get overwhelming. We're here to help you. So you're kind of talking about the pain. You're talking about how you help solve it. The one email in here that you actually need to update is this customer testimonial, because I don't know your customers. So I didn't write one for your customers. I wrote one for somebody else's customer. And so you'll just want to come in here and replace that with this testimonial. So that's the only one. And when you do that, you won't just close it. You'll hit save and it'll be updated and you'll be good. And you'll come up here and you'll hit save right here. And then you'll see that little dot that says, hey, you need to save, and you'll save right there. And then you'll be good to go. Otherwise, this sales sequence, you can change things, but you really don't. It's ready to go. And throughout it, it is trying to encourage those potential clients to book a free call with you so they can ask you about the things they need, and you can say, I can absolutely do that, and then they can book some time and you can come and get it done. Get those to-do lists done for them. So that's how you can take advantage of the lead generator that we have built for you, the sales sequence that automatically follows up all of those leads. And one other thing I will show you is when they download this, it places them in the pipeline here as a new lead. So that way you can also see, and then, as we talk through in the pipeline videos, you can see how there's lots of different steps that people can move through as they go from being a lead to a prospect to a customer. All right, we covered a lot in this video, but we want to help give you the things that you need to launch and grow your business. If as you're customizing your Handyman BrandPack built on high level and you get stuck, just hit this OS help request. It'll open up a form that comes to me and the team, and we'll get you unstuck so that you can move forward and grow your business.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier, and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.